the weekend, I was flying over Cooks Bay to get some nice drone footage, but I was getting strong signal interference and I really don't know why, so I decided not to continue the flight. Instead, I moved to the mouth of Holland River marsh. And the video that you're about to see is just one shot of this area that is extremely beautiful. By the way, if you have a drone and you want to fly in this area, be a little bit careful. This video is shot at exactly 5.6 kilometers from Rolik Air Park. So be a little bit careful and respect the airport zone.